Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to perform single column formatting. So in the last video we saw the call group tag which formatted multiple columns. That means we combined the first two columns, then we set a background color. Here if you see here, each column is having a different background color. So here we are using the single column formatting technique. So the tag used for that is a call tag. With the call tag, we can specify formatting style to a single column in a HTML5 table. When we specify multiple call tags, each tag will pick one column from left to right. So it's in the order. So if we specify two call tag, first call tag will pick first column, second call tag will pick the second column. With this tag, we can apply different style for each column present in the HTML5 table. We can also combine call group with call tag while applying the column style. That means if we have a 5 column table, then you can use a call group to group first two and last two columns in a two call group, then a middle column with a column tag. So you can actually combine this call group and call tag. So first let us look at an example for single column formatting. Here if you see, we are using the same table from our previous examples. After specifying the caption and before starting the table row, we specified three call groups here, three column tags here. Each column sets different background color for the HTML5 table column. If you see here, the first column tag is setting a yellow background, and the second column tag is setting the blue background, and the third column style is setting the green background. Alright, now we look at the example in IE. So here is our first example, and if you see here, after specifying the caption tag, here we specified the header for the column. Alright, in this video we are concentrating about columns, right? So here we specified three columns. So each column will pick one column from left to right. That means this one will pick the first column, this one will pick second column, and this one will pick the third column. So here we specified a different background color, yellow, blue, and green. Now we will execute this in IE. So here you can see three columns. First column is description, second column is executable name, and the third one is the usage column. So this is our first column. So it picked the description. Sorry for the typo. The second one picks executable name and applies blue color to that column, and third one picks the third column and applies green. And if you see here, the order in which we specify the column, it picks one column. So the first column tag picked the first column here, and second column tag picked the second one in our table, and third column picks the third one. So after specifying this column formatting information, we actually define our table rows. So in table row, so this is the first column, this one is second, and this one is the third. Similarly for the next table row, this is the first column, this table data defines the second column, and this table data defines the third column. So you can combine call and call group tags. So here is the example. If you see here we combined call group with the call tag. The call group is placed before call tag. So the call group combines first two columns in the table and applied yellow green background to it. So we know that our table is a 3-column table. So the first call group combined two columns. That means the first two column is taken care by this call group, and yellow green is applied to both these columns. After this call group, since we specified column, it automatically picks the third column. So the third column here appears in yellow background color. Alright, now we will see this in IE. So this is our next example. Here first we defined the call group. Since we specified a span of 2, it picks 2 column from the left. So column 1 and column 2 will have yellow green color, and call tag which picks a single column, that means the third column. So already this call group is picking first 2 column. So this call will pick the next column which comes after this span 2, that means after the second column. That means it picks the third column and applies yellow background. Now let us see this in IE. And so this is our previous example. Let me close it. And if you see here, we applied yellow green background using the call group. After that we applied yellow color here. Now we will flip this. So first we will put a column here before the call group. And now in this case, if you see the order here, first the browser sees there is a column tag. So now the first column is represented by this call group. That means the first column will be yellow. After this we are placing a call group. That means it picks the second column and spans 2. That means it picks the second and third column, then applies yellow green. Now so this way you can combine for multiple columns. So if you place one more column here, that column will represent the fourth column in the table, but our table has only 3 columns, so we are stopping the example here. Now let's execute this. And if you see here, the first column, this is applied by the call. So this first call tag applied the yellow style to the first column. After that we are using call group with a span of 2. That means it picks the next column, and since span 2 is specified, it picks the second. So 2 column combined together and yellow green is applied. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.